The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) failed to open its defense at the Presidential Election Petition Court (PEPC). The Presidential Election Petition Court had on June 23 fixed Monday, July 3, for respondents to open their case in defense of their petition filed by aggrieved parties challenging the outcome of the February 25 election where Bola Tinubu was declared president. According to the schedule, the Electoral Commission was billed to advance their arguments against the petition filed by the Labour Party and its presidential candidate Peter Obi on Monday morning. However, during Monday's proceedings when the case was opened, Abubakar Mahmood SAN, counsel for INEC, informed the court that the commission had billed 3 witnesses to testify in aid of their defense. Mahmood SAN, however, told the PEPC that the first witness was unavoidably absent from the court. INEC's lawyer then applied for an adjournment until Tuesday, when the witness will be in court. Lawyers to other parties in the case, Live Uzoku, senior advocate of Nigeria, representing Peter Obi and Labour Party, Wole Olanipekun, senior advocate of Nigeria, who is counsel to President Bola Tinubu, Vice President Kashim Shettima, and Lateef Fagbemi, also a senior advocate of Nigeria, representing the APC, did not object to the request by Mahmood. Therefore, the Presidential Petition Election Court adjourned to Tuesday, July 4 for commencement of the hearing of the defense filed by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC.